Good morning grade 6. Welcome back to grade 6 mathematics class. How are you all doing today? So I hope you have already completed the first 5 questions of exercise 5.2. Today we'll discuss the rest of the questions from the exercise. So here today the first question is going to be complete the number tower given below. This is the 6th question from the exercise. So here you can see a number tower. At the bottommost row, you can see all the boxes are filled. Now, the row above to it. Here you have the number 1. How can you relate the number 1 to the numbers given below it? You see the numbers here, the integers minus 5 and 6. Can you add minus 5 and 6? What is the sum you are getting? Minus 5 plus 6. One is a negative integer, the other one is a positive integer. So, since the signs are different, what you need to do when you add, you just subtract the numbers and what do you get? 6 minus 5 equal to 1 and you have to put the sign of the integer which has got more numerical value. And here which is the integer which has got more numerical value? It is the positive integer 6. Since 6 is positive, you can put the positive sign or just write it as 1. So, here in this row, you have got the sum of the integers minus 5 and 6. Now, there is one more number given here, that is 2. Let's check if it is addition which was done to get this number 2. So, minus 5 plus 7. What is minus 5 plus 7? It would be 7 minus 5, 2, and since 7 is positive, the result will be positive. So, yes, the operation to be done to get the numbers in the above rows is addition. So, what would come here? 6 and 19 are the integers. So, 6 plus minus 19. What would be the result? It would be the difference and the sign of the result will be the sign of minus 19. Why? Because minus 19 has got more numerical value. So, what is 6 plus minus 19? It would be 19 minus 6. What is it? It is 13. And what sign do we put? We need to put the minus sign. So, here the integer is minus 13. Now, what about the number here? Here below this box we have the integers minus 19 and minus 5. So, two integers with same signs. So, how do you find the sum? Just add the numerical value of the two numbers and you have to put the minus sign there. So, minus 19 plus minus 5 will be minus 24. So, this is how you should fill numbers in the above layers. So, you can complete it yourself. Let's discuss the next question. This question number 7. It says Ankita scored the following points in 4 rounds of a quiz competition. Find the total points scored by her. So, you have the scores she got in round 1, round 2, round 3 and round 4. So, maybe she went wrong with a few questions and she got negative mark. And now you are asked to find out the total marks she scored. How do you find it? You have to add the points she got in each round. So, how do you write that addition? It would be 10 plus minus 2 plus 8 plus minus 4. So, here you are asked to add both positive and negative integers. So, what you can do here? You can first group the positive integers and then the negative integers and find their sum. So, which are the positive integers here? Let's group them. So, 10 plus 8 then plus minus 2 plus minus 4. So, it is minus 2 plus minus 4. So, what is the answer? What is 10 plus 8? It is equal to 18 and to this 18 you have to add minus 2 plus minus 4. Minus 2 plus minus 4 is equal to minus 6. So, 18 plus minus 6 and these are two integers with different signs. So, you need to take that difference. 18 plus minus 6 is the same as 18 minus 6 and it would be 12. and 18 has more numerical value, it is positive, and hence the result will also be positive. So what is the total points she scored? Ankita scored a total of 12 points in the quiz competition. So is this clear to you? Let's discuss question number 8 now. It says Arun started a bank account by depositing ₹1000. After a month, he deposited another ₹500 in the account. After a week, he withdrew ₹650 from the same account. Find the amount left in his account. So how do we find it? So when you say you are depositing to an account, it means the balance is going to be positive. The bank balance is going to be positive. And when it says you are withdrawing money from the bank, the balance is going to get reduced. So how can you represent these situations as integers? So when Arun deposits ₹1000 to his bank account, it is represented by plus ₹1000, or it is the same as the positive integer 1000. Now after a month, he deposits another ₹500, which means to his bank balance another ₹500 is getting added. So it is another positive number or integer that is equal to plus 500. Now it says after a week he withdrew ₹650 from the same account, which means ₹650 got reduced from his bank balance. So that is going to be minus ₹650. So his final account balance will be 1000 plus 500 minus 650. So first what you can do, first you can add the 1000 and 500, and from that you can subtract the ₹650, and then you will get the final account balance. So just keep in mind, when we say we are depositing money to an account, it means the amount in the bank is going to get increased. And when we say we are withdrawing money from the bank, it means the amount in the account is going to get reduced. So it is going to be a negative number. It has to be represented with a minus symbol there. So I hope this is clear to you. Now let's discuss the next question, question number 9. It says write an expression for each of the following using integers and solve. So there are a couple of situations described here. Let's see the first case. The temperature recorded at sunrise was minus 24 degrees Fahrenheit. By 12 noon, the temperature had risen by 8 degrees Fahrenheit. Find the temperature at 12 noon. So at first, what was the temperature? It was minus 24 degrees Fahrenheit. And by 12 noon, the temperature increased, which means minus 24, which means to this minus 24, 8 degree had to be added by 12 noon. So what is the expression here? It would be minus 24 plus 8. And the result of this will give you the temperature at 12 noon. Now what is the next situation? A diver dove 45 feet below the sea level and then rose 23 feet. Find the diver's position from the sea level. Here the diver is diving below the sea level. So that height will be represented using negative integers or negative numbers. So it says he dove 45 feet below sea level, which is represented as minus 45 feet. And it says after diving to minus 45 feet, he rose 23 feet, which means minus 45 plus 23 feet. So this is the diver's current position. You need to find out his current position. How do you find it? You have to add the two integers, that is minus 45 plus 23, and the result will be his current position. So children, I hope the question is clear to you. You can complete the questions in your notebook. So let me remind you the homework for the day. You have to complete all the questions from exercise 5.2 in your notebook and submit the answers in Microsoft Teams. So that's all for today. We'll meet in the next class with a new topic. Till then, bye.